Hey there, Instagram lovers. Today, we're diving into a brand new update that allows you to enable post notifications on Instagram from your PC. If you don't want to miss your favorite account's latest uploads, stick around for the quick steps to set this up. First, let's start by opening your Instagram account on your computer. Simply launch your web browser, head over to Instagram.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're all set in your account, look for the More icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on it to reveal a hidden menu. Next up, you'll want to choose Settings from this menu. It's usually located towards the bottom, so go ahead and click on that. Now within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Notifications. This is where we get to the fun part. Now click on Push Notifications. This option allows you to customize what updates you receive from Instagram. Finally, to ensure you don't miss out on any content from your favorite profiles, enable the option for Recently Uploaded Reels. By clicking the toggle switch next to this option, you'll now receive notifications whenever those accounts upload new reels, keeping you in the loop on all the latest trends and creativity. And that's it. You've successfully enabled post notifications on Instagram using your PC. Now you can enjoy all the exciting updates from your favorite creators right when they happen. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoy this new feature.